So now my point is, after you have watched all the video of this moving average strategy that I told you, okay, yes, there is a way that you are going to make it automated, okay, that you just going to set it up, this automation, and then you are just going to go sit down and let this thing trade for you. The only thing you'll be doing is just to be like increasing your lot size every month end. You understand? And you know, you don't need to overlot. You don't need to overlot. Okay? Because this is gonna be like, we're gonna create something called new. When you are on this platform, you create on new. Okay, new means we want to create something new. You click on new, and then you're gonna use a MetaTrader 4. If your account is MetaTrader 5, you click this button up. Okay, you will see MetaTrader 5 trade station or whatever. What you want to create is strategy. You can create also indicator, but we want to create strategy. Okay, leave this one. We are dealing with MT4. Okay, yeah. So we give it a name. Just give it one name. I don't want it to mix with the name I have before, but just give it a name. Just say MA. Just give it a good name like MA cross. Just call it MA cross EA. Then you can write something if you like if MA 30 cross MA 50. Okay, just for example. Okay, that's what you just write anything you like there, so for you to know what it's actually doing. Okay, now this is what you will see right here. Okay, and now what you want to do is now to add condition. Open a buy order, you add your condition. Okay, and your condition is going to be, you know, like moving average. Okay, we're gonna click on indicators. We're now gonna click on moving average. Search, you will see a moving average. This is moving average. Okay, that is it. So the period of your moving average is let's say you do a period of 30 moving average. If you click this thing, it will add everything you are doing into input. Okay, if you click on it, it said okay, this is add input, like period 1 is 30. Say okay, so it will put it into input for you, so that anytime you want to change the strategy, you want to change the moving average, it can, you know, you can do it very easy. Give me one moment. Yeah, so it crosses above is what we want to do. Crosses above. Okay, here you can see many options, but we want to use crosses above. Then we go here again, we say moving average. You can use any moving average you like. Okay, any moving average that is working for you is what you can use. Okay, moving average 50. If it's the one that I did in the video that you see it's working for you, use it. 50. You can push on the input and add it. Oh, sorry. Moving average. No, don't do this one first. Moving average 50. 50. Push on the input, say add new input, period number, change it period number 2. Okay, say okay. Then you click on OK, and you do what? You save it. Now this one is gonna be cost above, which is a buy. Okay, now for this one, that is gonna be a sell, which means cost below. You see, you're gonna push this pencil ink button that creates the opposite of buy. You push it, it automatically creates the opposite for you. Okay, which means this one is gonna sell. Now it's cost below. Okay, so now our EA is ready. Very simple. Now you're gonna say, okay, close the trade, because there must be a time to close the trade when the moving average 14, which is our first period moving average, is 30. Now cross below, okay, cross below another moving average 50. Okay, you can use any moving average you like. Okay, you can even be using them on a strategy tester, okay, in order to see how it works, which one works good for you. All the one I've used in the previous video of moving average strategy indicators that I show you, you can use them. They have been tested to work. So if it crosses below, then it should close long position. It will close it for you. And one thing you have to know is that you have to let this thing be to trade on its own. Do not put a big lot size that is going to kill your account. You understand? If this thing just trade for you in a month, you will see the difference. You will see changes. Okay, then you push this pencil, this one, create opposite of close long, then it will close the sell when it goes above. Now this one now makes everything we are doing now to be perfect. Our EA is ready. In the commons tab, you know, everything we just want to do is maybe, you know, time of the day of the week, this and this. We don't need all these things. Next open trade after day of, you know, we don't need all these things. Okay, maximum trade duration, not yet. We don't need all those things yet. Okay, so you can skip this one. Skip it. It's very important, but we skip it. Okay, so money management strategy. So I use a fixed lot size of 0.01. I can change it later every month. Okay, I can change it every month. Maybe the next month is 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, just like that. If you have big money in your own account, you can say position sizing, 1 lot per, you know, you can do this also. You can say, okay, risk percent per trade. You can do this one also if that is what you like. But the best thing I've ever done that works for me, you know, and that works for every beginner that I've trained, this is what works for them. 0.01. Start your lot like this and leave it. Let it trade for you for 1 full month. Then do we need alert? Yes, you need alert on, you know, each order. When the order is open, you know, we can get alert. We need audible alert. We need to maybe like we need notification. Yeah, we need notification of each order. Okay, it will send it to your computer and your phone. Then input. Okay, add magic number, you add it. Add slippage, you add edging, you add trade size, you add alert, and the push notification. You add everything, because later in the input, when you install it on your MT4 or MT5, it will be easy for you, you know, to go to the input and, you know, begin to, you know, change it to the way you like. You understand? No need to come back here and create it again, but you'll be changing it from the input. then the source. In this case, now it is ready. Okay, you can copy the source, click on copy and copy the source. Okay, go and paste it on your MT4 and you will see your EA is ready to run, to be working for you. You can download it if you want to just download it and keep it on your computer, or you want to go and sell it. You can do that also if you like, you know. So this is the end of the video, you understand? Then the link to this page is going to be under this video, you understand? Make sure you come under the link in this video and check out if this is what you want to do. To me, my opinion is, after you have mastered Forex and you have learned a lot and you have understand that there is this one strategy that you like and it works for you very good, you know. As for me, moving average strategy is what I've been using. It works very well for me, you understand? So this is why I say come and automate it and let it continue to work for you on automation. So this is the end of this video. Thank you.